Hey everyone, how's it going today? So we're gonna do a little something, we'll say unconventional. Probably tell by the title of the video. I'm gonna use the supercharger of my Hellcat to attempt to cook an egg. Well, maybe one or two eggs. But I don't know if you guys ever looked at the old Hellcat supercharger here, and I was taking a look at it a couple weeks ago. I was like, man, I kind of want to cook some food on top of that, you know, nice and flat. And I was like, man, it would make a nice like waffle maker or something. But then I got to thinking, I was like, well, maybe I'll cook some waffles on top of my Hellcat, but then I don't really want to clean up that mess. So the next best thing, we're going to use a pan and we're going to try and cook some eggs on it. So reason we're going to try it today is because we do have some bright sunshine. Temperature right now is 92, feels like 98. So we're going to use a little bit of help from the ambient air. I'm going to take the Hellcat out for a rip, get the supercharger nice and hot, go do some pulls and stuff. I'm going to just pull it out here in the driveway, and then we'll put a pan on top and maybe cook an egg or two. So yeah, let's I'm going to get this pulled out of the driveway, take it for some quick hits, get it nice and hot, and guess we'll get to cooking. Alright, so here we go. Let's go ahead and get this supercharger nice and warmed up, why don't we? Guys, so now that we just went and got it all nice and warmed up, I'm gonna get the eggs together and then get back with you in a second. All right, everyone, so I will confess that I did not use the stove to heat up the pan, only nature. So I have had the pan out here for maybe like 15-20 minutes. It's a little warm. I mean, it's not hot to the touch, but you know, I figured if we're going to be using ambient temperature to help us out anyway, might as well use the sun to heat up the pan just a little bit before we start cooking. Hopefully we make this successful. So all right, man, I can feel the heat coming off this car. So get the hood popped, got the pan in my one hand, and let's go ahead and get this opened up, switch hands, put the whole pan right here on the supercharger. Get it nice and hot. Let it sit there for a couple minutes, and then guess we'll try and cook some eggs. All right, so got my little egg mix, you know, just some 2 eggs and some salt and pepper, and here we go. I think it's gonna work. It actually already started, you know, looking like it were cooking, so yeah, I'm gonna pull out my phone, see how long it takes to cook, but yeah, I think it looks potentially promising. It's gonna be absolutely hilarious. So 2:57 is when I put them on. People are gonna be driving past looking at this and be like, what the hell is he doing? No, maybe not. All right, so we're going for our first little mix up here. It's starting to cook a little bit. Probably gonna take a little while. Would not recommend this if you know maybe if you're in a rush. Probably wouldn't recommend it because we'll be going for about five minutes already. But it is starting to cook. It's starting to thicken up, so just a matter of time. We are definitely thickening up now. I mean, I guess the fans are helping out a little bit, but maybe a couple more minutes, I think we'll actually have eggs, surprisingly. All right, so a little update. We're about 20 minutes in, and it's thickening up, but I think I made a mistake. I should have used 1 egg. I used to. One egg probably would have cooked a lot faster, but yeah, see how it goes, I guess. We're 20 minutes down. It is thickening up. I'm getting a little bit deformed, but definitely recommend using a stove instead of a supercharger. All right, guys, so here's the deal. We're coming up on the 30-minute mark. I think I'm gonna call it at that. I don't think we were successful today. It's thickening up, but I just don't think it gets hot enough to cook an egg. So once it hits 30 minutes, I'll call it and I'll get back with you guys, no matter what the results are. All right, everyone, so it's been 30 minutes, 3:27. So here's the results. Actually, I need my towel. The pan actually got hot, but it's not hot enough to cook the eggs. So this towel here, go over and see. So you can see along the edges, started to get some cooking, but just not enough in 30 minutes and 90+ degree heat to make it work. You can hear the fans on the Challenger going on overload right now, leaving it running for 30 minutes straight. But we almost did it. We got close. Maybe next time try 1 egg instead of 2. Might have just been too much liquid in there for it to cook it all. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. What do you think I should have done? Anything differently? Maybe we'll try it again if we can come up with something a little better. But I mean, it's like I said earlier, it feels like it's 98, 99 degrees out here. Plus the engine's been running for 45 minutes now with me driving it, doing some pulls. So just didn't happen today. Maybe next time. Well, if you're still watching, go ahead and put a like on this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Got plenty more content to come. So again, thanks for watching. See you later.